you sure this is what you want?
Oh, spare me your spin, you tabloid. If you want to psychoanalyze someone, don't look at me. Look at them, it's so pathetic how they run to fetch their sticks. Sure, call me polemic, unsympathetic. At least I know other tricks. Look at me and all you see is the debris of some defective outcast. A frenetic, antithetic, if poetic, little iconoclast. But I won't live in the past. I almost won this game once, you know. But history is rearranged just to credit those who win the glory. So reality is changed in the edit when they spin the story. And we choose to feel this pain. And we lose more than we gain. But I will break this cycle of mistakes, unlike all of these snakes whom I call to condemn. If I can't win the prize, I'll play this last reprisal just to bring their lies all to an end.
You need regeneration.
Unfortunately, I don't have much faith in that process.
Of course not.
Why, of course not?
You believe yourself to be incapable of starting over in more ways than one. I do not know who you lost, but is it not possible to get them back?
Clear the slate, start again. Are you hearing how preposterous that sounds? How do you not comprehend that for someone with my monstrous background, the whole slate has fallen apart? It's too late for me to restart. But it's not I, it's they who deign to play this game so cruel and inhumane, base and uncool.
Please think this through.
I think they're too
Feeling double
afraid to
frosted
bear the bed.
dealing
They
with a
may
loss, yes,
bring
but
themselves
healing
to
is a
face
process
the
that's
awful
the
truth. So I'm turning up the heat to saute either beef to get grilled. But I fully guarantee that today all the beans that get spilled won't be mine. No, I'm fine. Shh. Now it's time.
Karma changed every place I made. I'm remaining real or fake. Every face I faced, phased and faded. Every castle that we built, just a moment for myself. Give me pride. Karma's right. Phoned it in this time. I got me. Was I fine? Was I not my prime? When you saw me, every castle broken fell. Just a moment for myself. Give me pride. Give me pride. Karma, dear, play nice. See my tears, see my time. That's my blood, that's my spine, that's my love. All mine, just give me life. with a silent fate. Karma died, and it's quiet outside.
So we heard you all just brutally killed the villain!
Take it away, Wobble!
I want to hear you clap your hands. And if you don't have hands, I want you to stomp your feet or make whatever noise you want. Starfruit came to me with dreams and a guitar. He said, hey, stick with me, kid, and I'll take you far. Now he claims that he's the reason I became a star. And how dare I try to break out of his repertoire. But I want to shout it out loud. I want to stand out from that crowd. I want to make myself proud, 'cause you may have made me, but you don't make me who I am. You don't make me who I am. You don't make me who I am. Oh man, you can't. And I wanna stand, and I want you all to stand with me. And if you can't stand how the band treated you, why don't you sing about it?
We cleaned it all and we took him down.
Hey, I'm the floor, so please don't scrub me out.
We were all stuck in between death and life, but we made a new path all thanks to Suitcase and Knife. Suitcase and Knife. Contestants, now it's time to have fun.
Contestants, now it's time to have
We're on the show, or if you just
We're on the
won.
show, or if you just won.
We no longer compete.
We could be complete.
And all I wanna do
Is go to a party with you. And the party never ends, and I don't know what I'd do without you here right beside me, 'cause
All the people that I now see aren't people who are just like me.
But why should they ever try to be in this place we call reality?
Let us not forget those who we've lost. We must protect each other at all costs to save what's left. It's a new start.
the future was so yesterday.
but now it comes out of our way. So many of us everywhere, who knows who else will find out there. It's true that it may sound ambitious, but we can do it 'cause we can.
It's a ball. Does that one still count?
Can't believe
She forgot.
that one.
How can you forget it? Do you hate rubber balls? I think they're spring-tastic. And gonna stand. Thanks so much, Inanimate Insanity. You've been a great audience. We love you. We were told what our lives were supposed to mean, thought we knew everything we could possibly be, but a simple dose of reality turned everything on its head. From an infinite life to a single thread, the control of the past has fallen instead. What do you do when you know there's an end? You gotta make your own reality. We started out knowing nothing but the show,
Just a fragment of a memory.
'cause in our minds where else was there to go?
Who were we supposed to be?
We didn't know the world existed or who we were outside the competition. It took so long to make things right.
Now we've seen the light.
Now we're faced with a new reality.
Everything is also new.
Our souls are free to be who they wanna be.
Now we finally know what's true.
And every our new and old friends who were held together by connected threads of stage reality. Let the past be the past, let the future be whatever will let us find our meaning. Reality is ours for the taking, so now is the time to make it. Open your eyes, take in the life you could lead when you realize there's more than this insanity. And maybe we're not real, but what's real anyway? It all comes down to you. Your reality's what you make. Can our reality show be our reality? No. This glimpse of mortality opens our minds to a brighter future. Whatever comes next, we don't know, but now we get to choose where to go. Our reality is here, still a story to be told. And sure, things will be different, but that doesn't mean it's not worth it. Our past may have been tied to the game, but the future is ours to claim.
Father? Son? All my life I'd have died to meet you. Thought about your name so much it hurts. For 20 years I dreamt of how I'd greet you. Oh, and now you're here, I can't find the words. All my life I'd have died to know you. Days and nights I wish that I could show you. For 20 years I never could outgrow you. Oh, and now you're here. I can't help but wonder what your world must be. If we're like each other, if I have your strength in me. All this time I've wondered if you'd embrace me as your own. 20 years I've wondered, for so long I felt alone. Oh my son, look how much you've grown. Oh my boy, sweetest joy I've known. 20 years ago I held you in my arms, how time has flown. Oh, used to say I'd make the storm clouds cry for you. Used to say I'd capture wind and sky for you. Held you in my arms, prepared to die for you. Oh, how time has flown. I can only wonder what your world has been. Things you've had to suffer, and the strength you hold within. All I've ever wanted was to reunite with my own. 20 years we've wandered, but today you're not alone. My son, I'm finally home. Father, how I've longed to see you, to lay my cross. I'm home. your mother I'm home. I'll be there in a moment. Of course. Show yourself. I know you're watching me. Show yourself. You were never one for hellos.
I can't help but wonder what this world could be if we all held each other with a bit more empathy. I can't help but feel like I led you astray. What if there's a world where we don't have to live this way?
If that world exists, it's far away from here. It's one I'll have to miss, for it's far beyond my years. You might live forever, so you can make it be. But I've got one endeavor. There's a girl I have to see.
Very well.
Father, she's waiting for you.